Hello, it's Golden Given, and I'm back with another video. Today we are doing once again another walkthrough on Kingdom Rush Frontiers. So here we are, this amazing game. We are slot 2. So last time we went to Hammerhold. Now we got 3 stars, everything. Now with that we got 3 upgrade stars and 3 things to use on this. Now we're going to get Sand Warriors, because it's see Sand Warriors, and we're going to upgrade toughness, because we do want him to survive. That was a problem on this level. And on upgrades, once again we're going to go all the way on our the reinforcements. Whew, it just took me a while. Now if we read, so right now we have trained volunteers. Trained volunteers have additional health and deal a little more damage, so that's pretty good. That's what we got last time. We got our archer towers, because archers are OP. Men at arms. Men at arms have more health and wear good armor, so this is not a damage buff or anything like this. They just live longer, which is a really good thing. That's what we need. And have more health, so it basically buffs their armor. Now it's going to be normal. Once again we have Elric as our hero. Right here. Now, let's see if I remember this. Right, straight away, we're going with the barracks tower. Bomb, bomb. Now we're not going to spend any more money right here. We're going to buy 2 archer towers. Now that seems weird, but trust me, okay? Can we spend anything more? Alright, no. Alright, let's start this. We can upgrade our towers too. Tip? Nah, it doesn't really matter to me. So see that Sand Warrior coming down? Alright, let's place our reinforcements. Send another Sand Warrior. Those things are amazing. Pretty soon we're gonna need a barracks tower down here too. Ah, but we can get it. Alright, we're gonna reinforce that. And get ready. Actually no, we shouldn't need to use a rain of fire. I was gonna think we're not. We'll reinforce this again. We're actually not going to start this anytime until we kill these guys off. Or get somewhere close. Alright, that'll be good. I'm gonna level up this dude. Here, hopefully Alex starts sending his Sand Warriors over here. That's what we need. Now we're gonna stop 2 of these guys. We don't want to overrun our guys over here. We only have 4. Not including Sand Warriors. Now, I'm really tempted to use the rate of fire, but I'm not going to. It is always good to save your rate of fire. If you really don't need to, then you don't have to. We're going to keep on actually sending all of our guys right here. This reduces the pressure on our men over here. It helps a lot. Alright, here we're going to get 2 mages. We can't. We just need 50 more gold. Alright, there we go. Alright, still some desert thugs coming out. Not a lot at all. We won't really have to do anything. We're going to just reinforce these guys so we have no pressure at all. We can just focus on this guy. Now I'm just on a rain of fire. We don't want these big guys right there. I forgot what they're called, but we don't want anything to do with them. Nothing at all. Alright, we can get that. We're going to get another archer tower. We're going to send it right now. These guys are good. They're getting through, but sure not. Alright, there we go. We have our mage tower. Back them up a little. Okay, we finish this. We're gonna hopefully. There we go. Alright. These bomb towers completely destroy these little. What do you call it? Wolves. We're gonna start that thing straight away. Hopefully soon we'll be able to upgrade our bomb tower. Now it is tempting, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna reduce the pressure. Make sure my men are high up. Alright, get ready? Perfect! Very satisfying. Now we're not gonna send any guys over there yet. Alright, our reinforcements and archers are doing amazing. Once we finish these guys, we should be all good. Alec is a bit low, but he's not that low. I want to upgrade this. Hopefully get these guys to really low health, maybe even kill them. So we will at least kill one. So that is an amazing sound. Coming more, so we're just gonna add more reinforcements. We're gonna kill another one. Oh, close. Reinforcements should get him. And now that's fine. We're just gonna let the pressure come on and hope for the best. Upgrade this bomb tower, and I think we're ready. I think we got this. We're not gonna actually use the rain of fire. Yes, I know it's so tempting, but we're not. I mean, we're gonna finish up everything very smoothly. Alright, the rest are all gonna be archers. There we go. Let's reduce the pressure again. Really, really, really good tactic. Especially if you get like some of those good challenges, you know. The best way when you only have 2 towers to place down is reduce the pressure as much as you can. Which we're not in that yet, but we will be soon after we complete the entire Frontiers walkthrough. We're just gonna let him come. Alright. Alright. You ready for this rain of fire? There we go. It's satisfying. Sure. So we got an entire wave of these big guys gone. Now only 2 are heading over. Now 3, they're slowly adding up, but the wolves will be finished in a short minutes. Okay, we're done here, so let's reduce the pressure even more. Alec is helping reduce pressure a lot. His sand warriors are amazing at this. Alright. Have reinforcements come out. Let's place another one. Another one. That's it. Didn't even need to place another one. I wasn't even just count. Alrighty, now this does it for the second walkthrough. I forgot. What was this little card called? SANDHAWK HAMLET. So this is walkthrough through SANDHAWK HAMLET. Yeah, I don't know why I found that such a hard tongue twister. We got all of our upgrades and our hero room is all good. So subscribe, like, comment. I hope you this helped you and you enjoyed this. If you just watch it for fun, I know that's what I do a lot of times. This is Golden Gaming. Adios, amigos.